As you can see here, I have $260 ready to be paid out right now. All I need to do, guys, to get my money from this method is go over to request payment, and it's going to take me to a request payment page. And then I go to request payment right here. And then I'm going to click auto generate invoice, and then I'm going to go to request payment, and I'm going to get sent my commissions to my PayPal account. All right, so I just showed you how I requested my payment from making my affiliate marketing commissions. With this particular method, I've made over $1,900. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did this. And then I'm gonna take you through how you can do this yourself. And this is a method that you can do for completely free. Now, affiliate marketing is blowing up right now. And what I'm gonna do is show you one of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023 and show you exactly how I did it, and then show you the steps that you can take. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to get started right now. All right, guys, so here's my affiliate counts. Now we're going to jump into this more soon and show you what program this is and everything like that. But I just wanted to show you up here. If I click on this, it says balance. So that is what I am owed. And then it says earned. So that's everything that I've earned overall with this. And then paid is what I've been paid. So the earned is the difference from the balance and what I've been paid, and then there's my name and stuff like that. But we're going to jump into this more in a second, and this is today. Haven't made any commissions today because it's a brand new day. So let's jump into this, but first I want to explain to you what affiliate marketing is, because a lot of people still don't really understand how this works, but it's one of the most common ways to make money online. So essentially a company or a person will have a product. So for example, this the QuickBooks University, this is just an example. So you would get paid a commission, and then they would take money as well. Now the commissions can range from 10% all the way up to 70% I've seen, but that's exactly how affiliate marketing works. You're getting a commission for promoting somebody else's product. And it is one of the most common ways to make money because it's very simple to do, because you don't need your own product. You don't need a physical product or anything like that. You're just promoting something that someone else has already created. Now, before we get into the actual method, what I want to do is explain to you how I made these affiliate marketing commissions. Then I'm going to show you how you can actually do this for free in a much better way than I actually did it. And I'll explain to you exactly how that worked right now. So what happened is I was giving away a free course on affiliate marketing. Okay, this was completely free. Anyone could go and see this particular course. Inside that course, there is training on affiliate marketing. Then what happened was some of these students started asking me, so there's a section about affiliate marketing and websites and stuff like that. Well, essentially this course is about affiliate marketing using websites. People started asking me, hey Franklin, how can I go ahead and get a website made, or do you make them? Now, I don't have time to make websites for people. I'm too busy. So what I started to do was I started to send them to Fiverr, and I'll say, hey, go to Fiverr and put in something like affiliate website. All right. And what would happen is those guys would go to Fiverr and put in an affiliate website, and they could go ahead and get an affiliate marketing website made on Fiverr. And I was doing that for some time. And then I thought to myself, I wonder if Fiverr has an affiliate network. I had no idea if they did. So I scrolled to the bottom of their page and I found out that they do. If you click on here, it says affiliate. Now, if you scroll down, it tells you how you can become affiliate, and it shows you all the commissions and everything like that and all the information that you need. So you can potentially promote Fiverr and get an affiliate. But the best thing is you can promote any single gig separately if you like. So what I started doing is I went out and I would find a particular gig that I thought was a good suit for my followers, for people in my course, and I would give them an affiliate link. So I would actually make a commission via them purchasing an affiliate site. And these are the types of commissions that you can expect. It depends on the category, right? So $50 for this category, $40 for this category, $30 for this category, $25 for this category, and then $15 for everything else, or $150 for Fiverr Pro services. So for example, if someone purchased a Fiverr Pro service, I'll get $150. But what I want to do is I know another way that you can go ahead and do this yourself and make money for free. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Now, the first step that you are going to want to do is you want to go to a website called ChatGPT. I know ChatGPT again, but it's just easier for this to work this way. And you want to go and create an ebook on a particular niche. Now, for this video, we're just going to use affiliate marketing as an example. So a book on affiliate marketing and a video about making money with affiliate marketing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create me an affiliate marketing ebook around websites. So I'll be back in a sec. Now guys, while ChatGPT is writing me this book, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get your affiliate link that you are going to need to actually make this work. So what you want to do is you want to go and sign up to the Fiverr affiliate marketing account. So what you want to do is you want to go to marketing tools and you want to go to default and deep links. Okay. And what's going to happen is these are the links that you can send people to. But what we can actually do is we can put another link in here. I'll kind of show you. I think I remember how to do it. I'll show you. So let's go to this one here. I'm going to take this particular service. I'm going to copy the URL, go back to here and go LP URL and paste this in here and click enter. Yep, that's worked. And what this has done is it's given me an affiliate link. And there's different types of links that you can use. You want to go Fiverr CPA or Fiverr hybrid. We're just going to go CPA. That means click per acquisition. So we're going to get, or action, depending on how it's used. We're going to get around about 30, 40, 25, depending on the service that they buy. Okay. So this is going to be your affiliate link. Now, if I go to this page, if I go and put it into here, that's the link, and I push enter, it's going to refresh it. And this is now my affiliate link. I'll get a commission if someone makes a purchase. So now keep that link in mind. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to ChatGPT. It's written out the content. I'm going to copy this content right here and I'm going to go to Google Documents, and you want to have a blank page ready to go, and I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, yeah. So just paste it in there, and then you want to make it look really, really nice. But for this video, I'm not going to do that because I want to get this video done for you guys as fast as possible so we can get you started on making money. You want to go back to your Fiverr account and you want to copy that link. What you want to do inside this book is, because this book is about making money with affiliate marketing using websites, you want to just say something like, hey, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Now, before chapter 1, I'm going to write, this book is about making money using affiliate marketing websites. I recommend you get a website made here. And then just put something like website starter pack. And then highlight that and then link. Put your affiliate link in there. So what's happening is we're going to be going away and I'll show you where to put this book, and people are going to come and read it. And because it's about affiliate marketing with websites, they might want to get a website made. So they might click that link and you could potentially get a commission. Now, keep in mind, they have a thing called deep linking. So what else do people need when they are making affiliate marketing websites? They need content, creating content. So what's going to happen is they're probably going to also go to articles. And they're probably going to get articles from Fiverr as well. Well, guess what? You're going to make money from that purchase as well. You don't have to link them or anything because it's already deep linked to your link. It's already cookied in there. So they're going to go ahead and get articles as well. So you're going to get commissions from that also. Very, very cool stuff. Or if you wanted to, you could also add a separate link down here, going ahead and saying, hey, you can get some articles here. Either way, what we want to do now is we have this book. You want to make it a lot nicer than this, guys. This is just a quick tutorial. You want to go to File, and then you want to go to Export or Download. And we want to download it in a PDF format, okay? Now that has downloaded. Now the next step is you're probably thinking, well, how can I go ahead and make money? What you want to do next is you want to go to a website called Gumroad.com. If we go on Gumroad.com right down here and we go down to something like education, you'll see that view all, you'll see that there's people selling ebooks. Okay. Now we can go ahead and we can go and sell an ebook if we like as well for like $1. I think you can even give them away. But as you can see, this is where you can go ahead and upload and sell ebooks. Now, these guys, this Gumroad, they don't charge you. They only take a percentage of the sale cost, right? So that's all they do. They don't charge you any money to use this service. They only charge you a fee when you sell, and it's a percentage of that sale price. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to start your own Gumroad account. That's very easy to do. You just go ahead and start one, okay? And I'm just going to put in affiliate marketing here. I'm pretty sure there's some books on affiliate marketing. Yeah, so there's some books on affiliate marketing as well. Okay, very simple, and there you go, 0. So you can actually give them away for free if you want. Once you sign up, you're going to go into the back end that looks like this, and you're going to publish your first product, and you're going to want to give it a product name. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this micro site affiliate marketing 101. Okay, this is, you might want to think of something a bit better than this, but this is just a little bit of an example. And then we're going to go digital product. So a set of files to download or stream. And it's going to go ahead and, that's what we need to do. And then we're going to set a price, okay? I'm going to usually do US dollars. Now, I'm not sure if you, I did see that people were doing it for free. I'm not sure if you can. I think obviously you can, but it used to be that you could do it $1 minimum, or they wouldn't make any money. But we'll try and do it for free, or you can just do it for $1. Okay, but we'll try to do it for free. And then you want to go next to customize. So essentially what you're doing is you're giving away the book for free, right? And then you're going ahead and you are they're going to click your links in the actual book. Now what you can do is you can go to canva.com and you can create a logo or something for the thing, right? For the listing. So if we actually go here, you'll see we need an image. So you can just go to Canva. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly download one for this tutorial. But what you would do is you would go ahead and you would customize a particular image. You can use Canva to do this for completely free. You can change all of this around and stuff. What I will do is I'll just change this to affiliate marketing. We don't need to have affiliate marketing. And we'll delete this. Okay, we'll just do that, right? Super easy. You see how easy that was? And now we're just going to go to download. Okay, and we're going to download this image. Now while that's downloading, what I want to do is I just want to click on a few of these. So this is what this guy is doing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy some of this for our example. Obviously don't do that. You want to create your own description, but we're just going to use some of this just for ours for this video. But what you can see is he's selling this particular product and he's already got 78 ratings. So he's made money. And this is $9 per month. So that's 78 people who are paying him $9 per month. That's really, really good. I think it's nearly $1,000 a month. Plus, he's probably, the people that give ratings is only a small portion of the people who've actually purchased the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put in a quick description. This is just one we copied. Remember, you must have your own. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go upload image. So I've uploaded that downloaded one. It might not be centered very well, but we'll see kind of what it looks like when it's loaded. Yes, that's not, oh yeah, that's actually not too bad. And then upload a thumbnail. We might have an issue with this one. Now, while that's loading, you want to have a call to action. So just put, I want this. And then there's a bit of a summary you can put in, and then add some additional details and pricing, minimum amount 0, then suggestions 2. And then you can add versions of your product if you like, and then you're ready to go. So I'm going to go save and continue, and you can upload your files by clicking here and going like, and then I'm going to upload my file, and now my file is uploading. And then once this is done, all you do is go save and continue, and that's it. You simply go publish and continue, and you've now published this book that you are going to have on Gumroad.com. And on Gumroad, we'll just go back to Gumroad real quick. Gumroad is a platform where people sell products and mostly things like ebooks and stuff like that, and courses and all of that sort of stuff. So that's how you can go ahead and take the strategy that I use, but do it in a different way that is completely free if you don't have an audience. Because remember, I made my money because I actually already did have a little bit of audience inside my free course. But you can do that using Fiverr. And Fiverr has a really, really good affiliate marketing program that you can use to go ahead and make money online. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online right now. And I'll see you on the next video.